Welcome to yet another beautiful podcast. Here are 10 reasons to eat mango, the superfood of India for the world. B.M. Hegde's What Doctors Don't Get to Study in Medical School book in 2006 became a sensational hit. Even today, the amount of reception it gets is super high. Not only medical students, but also every human being should read this book. To make your mind and body mentally strong, read Hegde's masterpiece. Now let's get to the delicious business. So mango, the super functional food. All tropical and subtropical weather conditions are conducive for cultivating mangoes. Half of the world's mangoes makes their way from the Indian subcontinent, the land of mangoes, India, the best place in the world for mango lovers. Umpteen number of mango varieties flood the Indian market every summer. They come in all shapes and sizes. The taste of mangoes varies in accordance with the soil quality and climatic conditions. So here are the top 10 benefits of mangoes. Number one thing, mangoes boost your immunity. Mangoes are stuffed with not only sweetness but also immunity boosting vitamin A. They help fight diseases and infections without causing side effects. The therapeutic fruits helps you develop more white blood cells for supplying the necessary medicinal value. Number 2. Mango cures cancer. Mango with its polyphenolic compound stops the spread of harm-causing cancer cells. The formation of cancer cells is intervened by consuming raw mangoes. Especially colon cancer and breast cancer will find its way back if mangoes are a part of one's diet. Thousands of antioxidant phytochemicals in mangoes makes it easier for people to fight off cancer. Number 3. Mangoes help maintain blood sugar levels. The low glycemic index level in mango is a boon for diabetic patients. B.M. Hegde, the celebrated cardiologist, suggests people take mangoes between meals. Number 4. The natural anti-aging product. Mango helps cleanse your skin and so a highly recommended food by dermatologists. A radiant glow, fixing pores and tightening of the skin in a healthy way is the outcome of eating raw mangoes. It is also good for hair follicles and growth of nails as it is rich in magnesium. Number 5. Mangoes help fight cardiovascular diseases. The Indian kitchen, or to be more accurate, the South Indian kitchens are the healthiest kitchens in the whole world. They have spices and mangoes. While the former may help with lung diseases, the latter protects the heart like an invincible soldier. Researchers of Oklahoma University found that mangoes are helpful in reducing fat levels in the blood. The swashbuckling warrior, mango, slices off unwanted fat with its abundant nutritional arsenal. Pectin, vitamin C and fiber are its master smartsters. Number 6. Mangoes reduces inflammation. The minerals, vitamins and carotenoids in mango help fight inflammation, making the body more alkaline. In addition to the anti-inflammatory properties, mangoes help prevent type 2 diabetes and obesity. One great fruit for a happy and healthy gut. Number 7. Mango improves eye health. The vitamin A rich fruit mango is a good cure for night blindness and dry eyes. Those endless hours of sitting and staring can play havoc on our eyesight. For those who feel they need to repair their vision, practice eye exercises, devour mangoes and spend time with nature. Your eye health will be back on track in no time. Number 8. Mango enhances your brain function. Loaded with vitamin B6, mangoes helps in clarity of thoughts and efficient brain functioning. Students can gorge on mangoes before exams and young children can improve their cognitive function. Regular consumption of mangoes helps create a better sleep pattern and a stable, happy mood. A good affinity amongst neurotransmitters of the brain is an additional benefit. Number 9. Mangoes help build stronger bones. Vitamin K6 in mangoes help human beings build stronger bones. The amount of calcium absorption in bone increases, and so mango lessens the risk of osteoporosis in both men and women. As the density of the bone improves, the probability of bone fracture is considerably low. Number 10. Mangoes makes you happier. A component in mango called tryptophan has anti-depression characteristics. This amino acid streamlines your serotonin levels like a flowing river. The king of fruits has more relaxing properties that help a person maintain their mood without intervention. The happier the mind, the healthier the body. An apple a day might keep the doctor away, but a mango a day creates happy vibes throughout the day. So that's it for now. You'll love India more than ever before if you cherish the different varieties of mangoes in India. Each one has its unique taste and health benefits. A few mangoes can undoubtedly give uncontrollable goosebumps with its creamy texture and delectable taste. So combine your love for Indian monuments with mangoes for an extended culinary culture tour. You can have this Alfonso mango variety in Maharashtra, the Badami mangoes in Karnataka, which is also known as the Karnataka Alfonso, the superior Langra mangoes in Varanasi. You can eat the Kesan mangoes in Girnar of Gujarat. You can try the Chaunza mango in Punjab if you're visiting the Golden Temple of Amritsar. In Uttar Pradesh, you'll get Dasheri mango, which has many varieties such as Lucknowa and Fazil. If you're up for a temple tour in Tamil Nadu, try the Malgova variety, the Alphonse of South India. If you're into an heritage tour in Hyderabad, Devo the scrumptious Neelam. Again, if you're back to Karnataka, you can chew the oval-shaped Rasapuri mangoes. Last but not the least, try Banganapalli of South India, the king of all mangoes. So keep reading Indianpreneur blogs and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for regular updates and beautiful pictures of India with informative captions. And if you wish to read my written works, I have given the link in the description below for that also. Thanks for listening.